Hi friends, let me show you this Kekoy reacher or grabber that I got for reviewing purposes. First of all, you can see it comes in a useful presentation because you can fold it to store it away in your office, in your home, in your luggage, in your car. It is aimed for people that for any reason can't reach down or up in any space that you need to grab something. It has a light for if for any reason where you are grabbing is just so dark, you can look for what you're reaching for with a light under the bed, under the furniture, okay? That's really useful. If for any reason the space where you are grabbing is like more horizontally, if you are reaching under a bed, this is the position you want to use it. But if you are reaching in a space between two furniture, like your refrigerator and the wall, and it's more vertical than horizontal, you just change it like this and reach for whatever you're looking for, okay? Then let me tell you, it has this magnet tip that can help you to grab things even without using the hand, the grabber, like this. You can reach for a metal thing that you were looking for and grab it with the magnetic tip. It's really, really strong for the size, and it can grab, as you can see, keys or whatever is metal and can be grabbed with a magnet, okay? For the grabbing option, as you can see, you can grab whatever you need, either if it's in the floor, if you can't reach down, you can use this to grab whatever you need, or let me show you, okay? You can use a light if for any reason the space is dark, and grab what you need, okay? So, well, it's a useful accessory, and when you are not using it, you just store it like this. Thank you.